Hey there.
Hey again.
So we are here at Queenstown and we're about to go up to do the Tiki trail, which is about an hour's hike, so we're told to go right to the top of, right up there. So we're
not doing the cheap gondola way.
We're not doing the lazy way, we're going to do the hardcore, oh
Tiki
my
trail.
goodness me, it's a bit of a high walk. Going to get some nice photos hopefully from the top. It should be a nice view of Queenstown from up there. In between the tourists, like every single one of these you see going by is like full of tourists all spending their $35 to get up there. But we're going to enjoy the scenery, aren't we, babes?
That's right.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll catch you way up there. It's easy for you, you just have to sit in a chair. We'll see you up the top.
Here we are, top of Q-Town. Remarkable, as you probably can see behind us. So we climbed up that Tiki trail. It was probably about an hour and 10, hour and 15 minutes it took us, with a little bit of stop-start for photos and sitting on thrones, which you'll see. But yeah, at times took your breath away, but overall probably like a, I don't know, easy to moderate hike up. It wasn't too bad. Pretty cool, so some people zip lining down and some mountain bikers. And then we're rewarded with this beautiful view, so Remarkables and the lake. It's a little bit chilly up here. I think I was being a bit too clever and not bringing out my fleece. Simon's kitted right up with his hat and fleece. Just about going to catch the last bit of the sun before it goes and sets over somewhere else. Kingston, I think, is the next village or town along. So yeah, all in all, lovely.
So I guess we're going to have to go back down now, aren't we?
Yeah, we haven't had a phone call from Lucky Rentals yet, but apparently they're en route. So we have to hang out in the town a little bit, but we've scoped up a sweet dinner spot. You might see a photo or two from there. And we'll head down to keep warm. I'm freezing.
Yeah, this is cold as hell. All right.
Okay, bye.
See ya.